Stop guessing. Is SCHG the secret weapon for your portfolio? Today we are dissecting the Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, or SCHG. You've seen it on the lists or probably heard about it online, but is it the right move for 2026? Before we get into it, here's what we're covering today. Fees, holdings, performance. Who is it for? Tax, risks, and is it worth holding? We'll talk about the cost because fees kill returns. SCHG charges an expense ratio of just 0.04%. That's just $4 a year on every $10,000 invested. Yeah, peanuts. That means you keep almost every penny of your hard-earned gains. So, what exactly are you buying with this fund? It tracks the Dow Jones US Large Cap Growth Index. Think of it as a laser-focused bet on massive US companies. These aren't small startups. These are the absolute titans. The top holdings, the engines of the modern economy. Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, you know the names. But there's a catch that most investors completely overlook. The top 10 holdings represent nearly 60% of the entire fund. That means this isn't as diversified as you might think. It's more like a concentrated bet on big tech and AI. Why do investors love it? Because growth stocks have been on fire. When tech runs, SCHG is usually leading the pack. Historically, it's been a beast for capital appreciation. It's built for the long haul, 10, 15, or even 20 years. But remember, what goes up fast can also drop fast. Growth stocks are notoriously more volatile than value stocks. If the tech sector catches a cold, SCHG catches the flu. So who is this fund actually designed for? It's for the investor who can stomach some short-term pain. If you need your money in 2 years, this is not the play. But if you're building a 20-year retirement nest egg, it's a powerful tool to juice your returns. Many pros use it as a satellite in their portfolio. Your core should be a total market or S&P 500 fund. SCHG is the extra layer you add on top for speed. Let's talk about tax efficiency for a second. ETFs are inherently more tax efficient than mutual funds. You're less likely to get hit with big capital gains payouts. That makes it a great choice for your standard brokerage account. Now, let's compare it to the S&P 500. The S&P 500 gives you 500 companies across all sectors. SCHG gives you the top approximately 200 heavily weighted to growth. You'll get more tech with SCHG, but less utility. Does it pay dividends? Yes, but don't expect much. The yield is small, usually under 0.5%. You're buying this for growth, not for passive income. What happens if the market shifts away from growth? That's the risk you take for outsized performance. Market cycle risk is real in these specialized ETFs. Always check your own risk tolerance before hitting buy. Are you okay with a 20% drawdown in a bad year? If the answer is no, stick to a broader fund. But if you believe in the future of US innovation, then SCHG is one of the cheapest ways to gain exposure. Liquidity? It's fantastic. Millions trade every single day. You'll never have trouble buying or selling your shares. So, is it a buy? If your timeline is long and you want growth, yes. If you want safety and stability, probably not. It's a specialized instrument, not a do-it-all fund. Use it wisely, and it can help you build massive wealth. Just don't forget to keep rebalancing your portfolio. Keep your core stable, and let your growth play work for you. We hope this breakdown gave you the clarity you needed. If you want to master your money, you're in the right place. Stop leaving money on the table. Hit subscribe to Options Menace Finance. Join us for weekly videos that help you earn more and save smarter. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Consult a professional. I am not a financial advisor. Always invest with confidence and due diligence. Do your own research. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on the channel and see you in the next one.